Are you able to see this?
I can see the Teams window.
Okay, not the reading one, right?
No.
Just a second. Okay, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Uh, that's fine. Have you corrected the answers? No, it's remaining, right?
No.
So start marking. I don't think so. It's 10, 5, and Devansh is not here. It's okay. Number 1 is V triple I. Number 2, X. Number 3, I. Number 4, IV. Number 5, V double I. Number 6, VI. Okay. કેટલા સાચા પડ્યા 1 to 6 માં?
બે.
બે જ સાચા પડ્યા?
Hmm.
ઓકે. ચલો next 7, C. 8, C. 9, A. 10, D. D for Delhi. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
11, yes. 12, yes. 13, not given. 14, triple I. 15, double I. 16, V double I. 17, IV. પછી 18 false, 19 true, 20 true, 21 not given, 22 false, 23 C, 24 A, 25 D, 26 B for Bombay, 27 again D for Delhi, and 28 D. 29 B for Bombay, 30 D for Delhi, 31 A, 32 C. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
33 C, 34 B for Bombay, 35 I, 36 F. પછી 37 utilization of resources, 38 unemployment, 39 new perspectives, and 40 would be could have achieved alone. It's no more than 4 words, so sentence can be completed. Could have achieved alone. બેટા કાઉન્ટ કરીને કે કેટલા સાચા પડ્યા છે?
Twenty.
કઈ વાંધો નહીં, ચલો સોલ્વ કરી લઈએ. So number 1, whether it is correct or wrong.
Wrong.
1 to 6 માં શું કયા નંબર સાચા પડ્યા તારા?
2 અને 4.
ઓકે. पैराग्राफ बी જોઈ લઈએ એકવાર. Here it is saying, यहाँ पे जो भी आप कीवर्ड्स मार्क करोगे लाइक एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्रीज, देन बम्बल बीज, डिसअपियरेंस ऑफ बम्बल बीज, इम्पोर्टन्स ऑफ गार्डन्स एंड ऑल, राइट? सो कीवर्ड्स एમાં માર્ક કરવાનું હોય. એના પછી if you go down to paragraph B, your paragraph B is talking on what? You have to understand that. So reading the topic sentence, bumblebees are also of commercial importance, being vital. That means important to what? What they are trying to say here. This is my topic sentence. This part is my topic sentence, right? Vital to the agricultural industries, they are saying, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this इतना पता चल गया that it is having a commercial importance. Commercial means what? Helping towards the industries and all. उसे commercial कहते हैं, right? So many arable and horticultural crops depends upon bumblebees for pollination to varying degrees. Now some like oilseeds rape can produce adequate seed without bumblebees provided there are sufficient honeybees, right? But others such as raspberries and several types of okay, then raspberries and several types of bee heavily dependent on. So कुछ berries ऐसे होते हैं जो bumblebees पे ज़्यादा depend करते हैं, right? Without them there will be a little or no crop to harvest. So that's how it plays the vital role. જે તમારું topic statement છે ને એનાથી જ related તમારે આ બધું છે એ explanation આપ્યું છે, like how they are important. So there is already evidence that in some regions where fields are large and there are few hedgerows, in which hedgerows means in which bumblebees queen forage in spring and they build their nest. So crop yields are depressed due to the shortage of bumblebees. How it is getting affected, right? હવે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી થી રિલેટેડ કેટલા હેડિંગ્સ તને મળે છે ઉપર લિસ્ટ ઓફ હેડિંગ્સ ની અંદર એ જોવાનું. એક બમ્બલબીઝ કીવર્ડ થયો, બીજું ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ થયો, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ થયો. ક્લિયર થયું કલાપિકા? તો એમાં હું જોવા જાઉં બમ્બલબીઝ અહીંયા આપ્યું છે. this can be my one keyword, right? બીજું બમ્બલબીઝ અહીં છે. ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ વર્ડ આવી ગયું. ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી થી રિલેટેડ okay, અહીંયા importance of bumblebees आई गयो. Vital was said, right? So importance of bumblebees, right? So future of bumblebee conservation and necessary condition for bumblebee. Here also you have it. Here also you have it, and at the last. Okay. હવે આપણે જે વાંચ્યું હતું એ bumblebees નું positive કે એ કેવી રીતે હેલ્પ કરે છે એગ્રીકલ્ચર ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી બી મળ્યું. Now પહેલી heading માં શું છે? Getting the agricultural industry to help is something not related to the topic because it is not clearly talking about the B paragraph what we have just read, right? So in this case, when you look at your paragraph B, it clearly talks about that bumblebees are having the commercial importance. Commercial એટલે business કરવા જઈએ તો something related to economic growth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but આમાં first માં નહીં. Second માં bumblebees આવી છે, but that is related to garden. We are not talking about garden. We are talking about crops harvest. कि bumblebees केवी रीते help करे છે to harvest certain kind of जैसे raspberries हो गया and so on, right? IV भी नहीं आएगा, fourth one भी नहीं आएगा. Importance of gardens, it was not talking about that. Yes, one is there, the economic importance of bumblebees. So this can be the case, right? who was last three joyless future of bumblebees conservation. There was nothing related to bumblebees. What they talked about कि अगर bumblebees नहीं है तो crop को कैसे affect होता है, तो last में लिखा था कि crop yields are depressed due to the shortage of bumblebees. Depressed means डिप्रेशन बोलते हैं ना कि वो इतना नहीं हार्वेस्ट कर पाते, लॉस्ट, डिप्रेस्ड. Necessary condition for bumblebees conservation, again no. Why farming is killing bumblebees, again no. Clear? So this is the case that we have to take care. आप ऐसे solve करो तो आपको clearly कौन सा आंसर मिल जाएगा इसमें, because rest तो कुछ भी सूट नहीं कर रहा है. What should be the answer?
Economic, the one.
Economic importance of bumblebees, right? So that becomes the answer. Clear हुआ how to solve now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, in number 2, if you look at, number 3, paragraph D, जिसमें आपको doubt था. Here, paragraph D is talking about to achieve this, farmers should be encouraged to adopt wildlife friendly farming methods through uptake of the entry-level stewardship scheme, ELS, replanting of hedgerows and the recreation of hay meadows and chalk grassland habitats need to be supported. So this activity will not be at the expense of farming, but will actually benefit it by improving crop yields at the same time as enriching the countryside. And meanwhile, in garden nationwide, wildflowers in traditional cottage garden plants can be used to help increase bumblebee population. So here what they are trying to talk on. Replanting of hedgerows and the recreation of hay meadows, they were talking, right? Grasslands and habitats needs to be supported. Yes or no? So farmers needs to adapt it. उसके बारे में बात किया है. हेल्प लेने के बारे में बात किया है ना. दे नीड टू सपोर्ट. सपोर्ट का मतलब क्या हुआ? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सपोर्ट? हेल्प. ठीक है, तो हेल्प થી રિલેટેડ થયો, हेल्थ થી રિલેટેડ છે. दैट मीन्स सी हैबिटेट्स नीड टू बी सपोर्टेड. तो इसमें हेल्प से रिलेटेड कौन सा पैराग्राफ, कौन सा हेडिंग्स आ सकता है?
First.
क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. नेक्स्ट आपका कौन सा पैराग्राफ है? आई थिंक पैराग्राफ ई. इट टॉक्स, पैराग्राफ एफ. ओके. Seeds of some wildflowers such as foxgloves and cowslips can readily be bought in most garden centers, but the range is usually very limited. A far greater selection. So they are talking about seeds of wildflowers and all, right? अभी इसमें however दिया है. Let's see however is going to talk about the earlier ones, so they are going to contradict it. So here it says that there is much to be said for collecting the seeds yourself from the wild. There is much to be said for collecting the seeds yourself from wild. So collecting a handful of seeds will have no impact on the plant population in most cases. And there is a strong conservation argument for use of local seed. So what is being, whether it is saying the same, do you think it should be bought from the garden or they have changed that statement? Yes. Statement got changed. Whether it is completely changed. Do you think it is contradicting to the earlier ones? उन्होंने सीड परचेस करने को बोला है, इन्होंने ऐसा कहा है कि सीड को आप खुद से like you should go in the wild yourself and you should collect the seeds. That is what they are saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So अगर आप परचेस करने जाते हो तो उनके पास क्या है? A far greater selection is available from the specialist companies. So ऐसा तो कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया है. However, that is not a good way to collect the seeds. नो, हावेवर करके उन्होंने दूसरा एक ऑप्शन दिया है कि वाइल्ड में जाके आप खुद हैंडफुल ऑफ सीड कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. That means there are two ways of collecting seeds of what? Of wildflowers. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And then they are also using the term usually locally collected seed ensures that the plant grown are adapted to local conditions and they are more likely to flourish. So introduce a poorly adapted race from miles away and not only are they less likely to survive, but they may also interbreed with wild plants nearby and water down the unique genetic character of the local race. So if possible, again they are talking about the same thing. Wildflower seeds should be gathered from close to the home. If possible, they have not put a compulsion on it. They said if possible, gathering of wildflower seeds. So this is the whole section, paragraph F, what they are talking about. Kayo outside. बीज ऑप्शन 6 वाइल्ड फ्लावर सीड्स थी रिलेटेड VI and VII. Obtaining wildflower seeds from countryside એટલે બહારથી એવું ના તો. So all it is talking about what? Just obtaining wildflower seeds. Clear થયો?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Countryside એટલે આ સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં જોઈને એવું લાગશે કે they have limited it કે ત્યાંથી જ લેવાનું from countryside. પણ આખું પેસેજમાં countryside થી રિલેટેડ વાત નથી કરી. They can also be bought from the garden. They can also taken from the nearby or something. And if possible, it should be taken from your local or home locality. खबर पड़ी? So just it is obtaining wildflower seeds. Any doubt in this, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Jima. Collecting seeds requires patience. Again, wildflower seeds are available commercially all year round. But when collecting them from the wild, it is necessary to wait for the right time of the year. So most wildflower seeds very easy to collect. Generally, it is best to sow the seeds immediately, since this is the time at which they would naturally be scattered on the ground near the parent plant. So what they are saying now again, is it related to collecting seeds? Yes.
Yes.
So wildflower seeds are available commercially all year round, but when collecting them from the wild means what? The forest. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Forest or somewhere where they go and they collect these seeds and all, right? So locality ke bahar. So most wildflowering seeds is very easy to collect. Generally, it is best to sow the seeds immediately, since this is the time which. So कहाँ से collect कर सकते हो seeds, कहाँ available है और आपको कैसे उसको sow करना चाहिए, right? So अब इसमें कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा? हमने दो ही ऑप्शन देखे थे, अब कौन सा बाकी रहा ऑप्शन?
VI.
And this is the justification, collecting seeds from the wild, क्योंकि उसमें उन्होंने पूरा वही उसी के बारे में बात किया है. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt in headings now? 1 to 6?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What about number 7?
Yes, 7.
Okay. According to the information in the text, decline of bumblebees. What do you mean by decline of bumblebees?
Extinction.
Extinction, right? तो हमें ऐसे ही कुछ देखना था. एक एक्सटिंक्शन के बारे में बात किया है. कॉजेस ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन, अदर स्पीसीज कम होते हैं इसलिए वो डिक्लाइन हो रहा है. सॉरी, डिक्लाइन ऑफ बबल बीज हुआ तो उसके वजह से कॉज बोला है. सो कॉज अदर स्पीशीज गायब हो सकते हैं अगर बबल बीज डिक्लाइन हुआ तो. सीरियस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ गार्डन्स, सिग्निफिकेंट डिक्लाइन ऑफ बबल बीज विल कॉज सिग्निफिकेंट एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स बोला है, राइट? And cause farmers to go out for business. That means business नहीं हो सकता. If you come down to paragraph A, there is this evidence that this process is already underway, right? For example, it is ultimately become dominant by an entirely different suite of plants that do not require bumblebee pollination. Clovers, vetches, and many rare plants may disappear. Indeed, indeed means obviously something that can be guaranteed. You know this is the case. There is evidence that this process is already underway. Underway means this is going to happen. These changes will have catastrophic knock-on effect of other wildlife dependent on the plant. What do you mean by catastrophic? Catastrophes.
Damage.
Catastrophes come disaster.
Yes.
Right? On the wildlife dependent on those things. So catastrophes is related to what? Is it related to farming or other species? Is it related to garden? Is it related to business, or it is related to environmental problems? Disaster is related to what?
Environmental.
Clear થયું હવે?
Yes, ma'am.
ચલો next, according to the information 8 number છે?
ના એ right છે 11 12.
Okay, 11 and 12. Okay. So simple and cost effective measures will reverse bumblebee decline. अगर simple और cost effective measures लिया जाए तो it will reverse the bumblebee decline. શું mark કર્યું બેટા તે?
No.
Will reverse the bumblebee decline. No કેમનું આવશે? એક આ મેથડ ની વાત કરી, ફાર્મિંગ મેથડ્સ ની વાત થઈ હતી, recreation and activities ની વાત થઈ હતી. હવે એમાં શું કહે છે that these activities will not be at expense of farming, cost effective, but will benefit it, right, by improving the crop yield and everything. So yes, na, it will reverse the bumblebee decline or no?
Yes.
હવે ખબર પડી? તો બટની આગળ બસ તારે વાંચવાનું હતું. સિમ્પલ એન્ડ કોસ્ટ ઇફેક્ટિવ જે મેથડ છે એ actually benefit કરશે. That means it would reverse the bumblebee decline. કેમ? કારણ કે આના લીધે શું થશે? It would be used to help increase the bumblebee population. Increase થાય છે, decline નહીં થતો. એટલે yes આવશે. Clear?
Okay.
Next is ordinary people can do much to help the bumblebee. Now ordinary people means normal people can do much. If you can see, we are talking about ordinary people and next keyword is can do much. Help bumblebee se related. Okay. If I see here, wildflowers may become more scarce in farmland through loss of hedgerows, hay meadows and chalk grassland, and because of pesticide use, right? As a result, gardens have become a stronghold for some bumblebee species. For they can provide a wealth of flowers throughout the UK, it should be possible to attract at least 6 bumblebee species to a garden and perhaps as many as 10. Some of the rare species tend not to visit exotic garden flowers, preferring native British wildflowers. So many of these thrive and look superb in a garden. They are also easy to grow, generally being hardy and much more resistant to slugs, mildew, etc. So basically what they are trying to say in this paragraph is flowers ocha છે, wildflowers ocha છે. In that case, શું થઈ શકે છે? Gardens have become a stronghold, right? Bumblebees માટે, and can provide a wealth of flowers, good number of flowers. So throughout the UK, શું કરવા લાગ્યા લોકોએ? Throughout the UK, શું possible થઈ ગયું? Throughout UK means population of UK can do what? They can attract
Bumblebee.
Yes. By providing what?
Garden.
Yes. So yes, they can help bumblebees or not.
Yes.
Ordinary people can help bumblebees. Yes. That's why the answer should be yes. Clear?
Yes.
Number 13.
No, it's correct.
Okay, that is correct. Next, passage 2. Which number? Passage 2?
16.
16. Section D. Section D talks about the fire mining operations in Australia began in late 19th century, and Australia has become a major producer of gem quality. वो इतना जूना है that इतने टाइम से चला आ रहा है that now it has become a major producer of what? Major producer of what?
Sapphire.
Gem quality sapphires, also supplying markets throughout the world. So this is the gist of the paragraph. Okay, if you look at the list of heading, Suasama, past હતો ને?
Yes.
Mining થી related ના તો? Yes, late 19th century.
Yes.
ખબર પડી? આની આવી જાય. 5 થી 4 તો એટલે અત્યારે જઈને એટલો સ્ટ્રોંગ થયો. Clear? શું ડાઉટ છે?
VII answer કીધું હતા.
ओ पैराग्राफ डी, आई एम सो सॉरी, હું પેરેગ્રાફ બી સમજીને કરતી હતી. સેક્શન ડી માં એક મિનિટ, હા, VII કીધું ને મેં તને આન્સર, પાર્ટ ઓફ ધ ગ્લોબલ સફાયર ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી. If this is the answer, part of the global sapphire industry is fine. તે ટ્રિપલ આઈ માર્ક કર્યું હતું?
ના,
That is VI માર્ક કર્યું હતું? VI સેમ ડોમેસ્ટિક તો ના કહેવાય બેટા. ભાઈ ડોમેસ્ટિક એટલે ઓનલી ઇન ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા. બટ આજે તે માર્ક કર્યું છે ખોટું પડી જાય. કેમ? કારણ કે ઇટ વોઝ ટેકન થ્રુ આઉટ ધી વર્લ્ડ, દરેક જગ્યા હતું. ઓકે, એટલે રોંગ થયો. એન્ડ VII એટલે સાચું થઈ શકે છે બીકોઝ પાર્ટ ઓફ અ ગ્લોબલ સફાયર ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી તો છે જ. Okay, global relates to throughout the world. And sapphire industry is this: commercially mined sapphires from Australia are sent to Thailand and Sri Lanka for treatment and cutting. So part like that this is also involved. Other countries are also involved in the sapphire industry. Gemstone processing, smaller stones are cut into so and so, and then they are also talking about the finest quality sapphires and unusual stones mostly find their way to niche markets. Kahan pe? Europe and United States. So they keep on rotating like that. एक country थी बीजा country पर. So evi rite I think your VII would be the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Not triple I. Part of the global sapphire industry means global sapphire industry globally જેટલા બી countries છે એ sapphire બનાવવા માટે કેવું role play કરે છે. So that is part of global. Phrase is used for that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Section E છે wrong or it's clear?
No, it's clear.
Section E is done. Then 18 to 22.
20 and 22.
20 and 22. True, false, not given. Sapphires are mostly found in or near water. શું માર્ક કર્યું તે એમાં?
False.
20 માં
Stream લખ્યું છે એટલે પછી
શું લખ્યું છે?
stream માંથી આવું એટલે
તો
મળે.
સ્ટ્રીમ શું કહેવાય?
એટલે ફ્લો, રિવર ફ્લો.
હા તો વોટર નહીં થયો.
પણ નિયર બી લખ્યું છે એટલે
સેમ નહીં આવે બેટા સેન્ટેન્સ, એમ કહું છું.
ઓકે.
You will never get the same sentence, near and all.
અને એટલે એની સાથે અંડરગ્રાઉન્ડ ડ્રેનેજ નેટવર્ક એવું લખ્યું હતું એટલે પછી
Now, so here it says it occurs principally in alluvial gravels found in streams. Gravels નો મતલબ શું? Stones.
stones. Yes.
સ્ટ્રીમ્સ ની અંદર સ્ટ્રીમ્સ એટલે જે નેરો પેલું હોય છે ને, રિવર બી ના કહેવાય actual, but narrow streams that flows એવી રીતે, which gets connected to river and then the sea, એવી રીતે એને streams કહેવાય. તમે લેક બી ના કહેવાય. I don't know એનું actual meaning એક જોઈ લેજે. I'm not able to explain.
Narrow flow of water એવું કંઈ.
હા, જે નેરો હોય છે ને એ સ્ટ્રીમ્સમાં કહે છે. એની અંદર જે ગ્રેવલ હોય છે ને એની અંદર એ ફાઉન્ડ થાય છે એવું કહેવા માંગે છે સ્ટ્રીમ્સ. And they are again saying that it is mostly found near the water. Mostly નું મતલબ કહેવાય mainly, principally. Okay, alluvial gravels found in the stream. હવે આ જે સ્ટ્રીમ્સ, નેરો સ્ટ્રીમ્સ હોય છે એની આજુબાજુમાં જે બી ગ્રેવલ્સ હોય છે રાઈટ, સો એનું એક્સપ્રેશન ના જગ્યાએ એ લોકોએ નિયર લખી આપ્યું તને, નિયર ધ સ્ટ્રીમ્સ કરીને કે નિયર ધ વોટર કરીને લખી આપ્યું. ખબર પડી? એવી રીતે હતું કન્ટેક્સ્ટ. એન્ડ અંડરગ્રાઉન્ડ ડ્રેનેજ નેટવર્ક્સમાં બી મળે છે. હેલો.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so આ જ્યારે એ લોકો જોવા જાય, so manually and saved at a point of collection to separate out any gems. Hand mining techniques were also used underground, so material and everything they talked about कैसे load करते हैं. And testing for deposit was done by sinking exploratory shafts. This was erratic and have slow success rate and everything. So એ લોકો પછી સફાયરને કેવી રીતે કાઢે છે એન્ડ હેન્ડ ટૂલથી શું કરે છે તને આમાં બી મળી જ જશે. સરફેસ ઓર શેલો ડિપોઝિટ્સ વર રેક્ડ બાય હેન્ડ. સરફેસ એટલે જે આજુબાજુ હોય, સરફેસ એટલે પેલી સ્ટ્રીમ્સના સરફેસમાં, એન્ડ જે શેલો ડિપોઝિટ્સ એટલે સ્ટ્રીમ્સની અંદર were raked by hand કરીને. It is not in બહુ ડેપ્થ ના હોય ને સ્ટ્રીમ્સમાં એવી રીતે. તો આનાથી બી તને ખબર પડી જાય કે it is nearby also and it is inside also, like that.
Okay.
That's why it can be taken or collected by hand, raked by hand, like that. Okay, so the statement can be true. True लिख सकते हो इसको. બીજું કયું નંબર છે?
22.
શું માર્ક કર્યું?
Not given.
ઓકે, નોટ ગિવન. ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા સફાયર્સ વાળું તો આપ્યું છે ને કીવર્ડ.
એટલે જ્વેલરીની વાત નહીં કરી એટલે.
ઓકે, જ્વેલરીની વાત નહીં કરી એટલે આર યુ શ્યોર જ્વેલરીની વાત નહીં કરી?
ટીમાં છે લાસ્ટ.
હવે બોલ કરાવી. અગેન ચલો જ્વેલરીની વાત કરી છે, બટ એ લોકો શું કહેવા માંગે છે કે જે મોસ્ટ બેસ્ટ ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયન સફાયર્સ છે, સફાયર્સ એટલે સ્ટોન બેસિકલી આર મેડ ઇનટુ જ્વેલરીઝ. જ્વેલરીઝ એટલે કેન યુ સી ફાઇનેસ્ટ ક્વોલિટી ઓફ સફાયર્સ and unusual stones mostly find their way to niche markets in Europe and United States. આવું કીધું છે કે આ જે સફાયર્સ નું બેસ્ટ ક્વોલિટી હોય છે, ફાઇનેસ્ટ ક્વોલિટી, એ આ જગ્યા જાય છે. બટ સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં શું કીધું છે કે જે બેસ્ટ ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયન સફાયર્સ હોય છે, that means finest quality of sapphires are made into jewelry for sale in ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા. તો એ સેલ કઈ થાય છે? ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં જ થાય છે કે યુરોપ એન્ડ યુનાઇટેડ સ્ટેટ્સમાં?
ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા.
ઓ કઈ ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં તો જોયું બેટા.
એટલે
ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા સેલ કઈ થાય છે? નિચ માર્કેટ્સ ઇન વેર? યુરોપ એન્ડ યુનાઇટેડ સ્ટેટ્સમાં થાય છે ને માર્કેટ એનું
હા
જ્વેલરી. તો આ જે વસ્તુ કીધી અહીંયા ફોલ્સ થયું ને.
એટલે સેલ મને પેલું ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ વાળું સેલ લાગ્યું.
અરે બાપરે, કલાપિકા, સેલ ઇઝ સેલિંગ.
ઓકે.
હા, એટલે કન્ટેક્સ્ટ જોઈને વર્ડ સમજી લેવાનું કે આ વર્ડ એવી રીતે વાપર્યું છે. એઝ પર ધી કન્ટેક્સ્ટ ના દરેક વર્ડનું મીનિંગ બદલાય બેટા. ઓકે, આ સેલ એટલે વેચવા માટે. પહેલું સેલ એટલે એની આગળ 50%, 20% એવું લખેલું હોય. ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ્સ. ગેટિંગ ઇટ?
યસ મેમ.
ઓકે. પછી નેક્સ્ટ 23 થી લઈને 28.
23.
Sapphires collected by simple manual methods. વાત કરી હતી મેન્યુઅલ મેથડ્સ ની. મેન્યુઅલ મેથડ્સ એટલે બાય હેન્ડ.
યસ.
ઓકે, તો આપણે શું જોવાનું હતું? પાસ્ટમાં છે, પ્રેઝન્ટમાં છે, પાસ્ટ એન્ડ પ્રેઝન્ટ બંને કે એ લોકોએ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ જ નથી કર્યો. તો આપણે મેન્યુઅલ મેથડ્સ આમાં જોયું હતું, રાઈટ? કેન યુ સી in the early days of industry? early days એટલે શું કહેવાય બેટા?
પાસ્ટ.
early days of industries એટલે past થયો.
યસ.
ઓકે. પછી sapphire mining was largely done using manual techniques and simple hand tools. Surface or shallow deposits were raked by hand, and potentially sapphire beer making was picked out manually and sieved at the point of collection to separate out gems and everything. હવે તો આ આખી વસ્તુ જોવા જાવ ને તો એ લોકો એવું કીધું છે કે finally found in this, but in the early days of industry this is what was happening with sapphire. Clear?
યસ.
તો આ જે વસ્તુ એ લોકોએ વાત કરી at the end, the testing for deposit was done by sinking exploratory and everything, shafts and everything. તો એક આપણને ખબર પડી that it is related to early days, એટલે it is related to past. But બીજું, if I talk about early days થી લઈને હમણાં સુધી, because of limitations and testing. Can you see the very next? આજે hand વાળું ટેકનિક છે.
યસ મેમ.
Are surprisingly similar to the method. Same છે method used by the early miners જે એ લોકો use કરતા હતા. Naturally though nowadays these are supplemented. ખબર પડી?
યસ મેમ.
Age method. They are supplemented nowadays. એટલે early બી છે and
પ્રેઝન્ટ.
early એટલે past બી છે and
હા.
present બી છે. Clear થયો?
યસ.
તો એ લે છે હાથથી જ, બટ એનું જે પર્ટિક્યુલરલી વોશિંગ એન્ડ સેપરેશન થાય છે ઇઝ નાઉ ઓલમોસ્ટ એન્ટાયરલી મેકેનાઇઝ્ડ કહેવા માંગે છે. ખબર પડી?
યસ મેમ.
So it is past and present both. Yes?
યસ મેમ.
Okay. That should be C. Next, 24, 25, 26.
નો.
Okay, 27,
નો.
28,
29.
29. In the USA, Community Outreach Partnership, passage 3. In the USA, Community Outreach Partnership. શું લખ્યું તે?
Can solve most local problems.
Okay. Can solve most local. Community Outreach Partnership છે શું બેટા? એ પૂછ્યું છે ને યુએસએ ની અંદર આ કમ્યુનિટી આઉટરીચ પાર્ટનરશિપ જે થાય છે એ છે શું?
ઓકે, હા.
ખબર પડી હવે?
હા, હા.
So it is a contract. That's why your answer should be community outreach partnership are based on contracts. પછી 30, 31 and 32.
32.
32 celebrating the success of the project. શું માર્ક કર્યું તે?
Should not take up too much time.
Should not take up too much time. Okay. Just read this 9 number.
Okay.
શું આવશે આન્સર? હવે જોઈ લીધું ને?
Yes, ma'am.
હવે આન્સર શું આવશે?
Is a good use of resource.
Exactly. Okay. So તારા આન્સર સાચા પડી જશે, but it's just that અમુક વસ્તુ તું થોડું ક્રોસ વેરિફિકેશન કરવા લાગ, કારણ કે પોઈન્ટ મિસ થઈ જાય છે કે પેરેગ્રાફ મિસ થઈ જાય છે તારું, એમાં બેન્ડ જતું રહેશે, right? So just take care that you don't miss those things. Next 33, 34, 35 and 36.
33.
Urban regeneration partnership again. It's related to what? Urban regeneration. શું માર્ક કર્યું તે?
F.
F is talking about must provide appropriate support. But our partnership છે શું? Urban regeneration model. That is what is being asked. Same again. શું છે આ પાર્ટનરશિપ? શું કરવા માંગે છે? What you have written in F is must provide appropriate support. You are talking about the appropriate support. But what does it talks? Partnership શું વાત કરે છે? આ રહ્યું keyword. What is the partnership?
Gathering parties to the contract.
Right? So like they want a partnership is that gathering together the various stakeholders in local community. Sena mate, in order to generate improvements that will benefit all and are greater than any one partner could have achieved alone. So they wanted to gather some more helpful hands. In that case, હવે કયો option mark થશે?
C.
શું કહે છે? By involving all the concerned parties in the project. Good. પછી
34.
34 local business થી related વાત કરી છે. Yes, local
Yes.
business થી related તને મળશે આ જગ્યાએ. આ રહ્યો keyword. જોઈ લે શું કહે છે local business માં? A potential danger શું છે? Results have taken the form of falling unemployment, improvement in education, benefit for the local industry and improvements in local services. But a potential danger of partnership is that the stronger parties, that means which are usually businesses, as they tend to possess a much greater share of the material resources, take the control. Right? So એમાં શું કહે છે? Local business જે છે એમાં એના શું થશે? ઓછું પડી જશે ને?
હા.
So what would not be allowed to do? એ લોકો ડોમિનન્ટ નહીં થઈ શકે. local businesses. ખબર પડી?
હા.
પછી
36.
36 public sector institution. એમાં તે ઉપર નીચે કર્યું કદાચ. Public sector institution needs this. F માં જે તે માર્ક કર્યું હતું ને,
હા.
સપોર્ટ વાળું એમાં આવશે.
Yes.
તે ઉપર નીચે કર્યું છે, બીજું કંઈ નહીં. કારણ કે for that you can see it here. આ રહ્યો પબ્લિક સેક્ટરમાં. Activities of different must be effectively coordinated. A long-term contribution છે for the development and all. Okay, so આનું support જોઈશે because it is long-term contributions to the development of the project. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, એના પછી which one?
37. આ તો
30.
કશે
ઓકે, જોઈ લઈએ. કમ્પ્લીટ ધી નોટ્સ છે, નો મોર દેન 4 વર્ડ્સ. એક્ઝામમાં નહીં આવવાનું હા 4 વર્ડ્સ. એક્ઝામમાં લિમિટેશન આપણી 3 વર્ડ્સની જ હોય, એનાથી વધારે નહીં આવે. અમુક ટેસ્ટમાં આવું છે તો નો નીડ ટુ ગેટ વરીડ અબાઉટ ઇટ. ઓકે, સો ઓવર હિયર when we talk about completing it, the notes, it is nothing but completing the sentence. So they can be more efficient, bringing about better dash. इसको मुझे complete करना है, right? Bringing about better dash. So I'll just explain you all the 4 of them. 37 के लिए, looking at the passage, somewhere here, representatives from the public sector, trade and industry and the local community meet as set common goals. तो इसमें ये लोग क्या कहना चाहते हैं? That initiatives for greater efficiency and better utilization of resources are developed, right? तो अगर आप यहाँ पे देखने जाओ, इन्होंने क्या कहा था? Efficient and bringing out better what? Better क्या था? Yes, आ गया ना? Efficiency and better क्या के सिर्फ ये लिखना था, utilization of resources. Clear? Next है आपका there may be a reduction in dash. ये अभी पढ़ा था हमने. There may be, so taken a form of falling, reduction in what?
Unemployment.
Clear? Next, partners may develop dash on local businesses. So जो partners है, benefits for local industries and everything, right? तो partners क्या develop कर सकते थे? Partners क्या develop करते थे? Local business नहीं, sorry, local issues है. Just a second. Yes, partners on local issues पे क्या develop हो सकता था? कौन सा वर्ड लेना जरूरी था? गेन એટલે डेवलप થઈ ગયું ને બેટા?
હા.
So members of the partnership, that means partners can develop what?
New perspective.
That becomes your answer. Okay. Now results can be better than one partner. Yes.
Could achieve alone. એવું ખાલી લખ્યું છે.
Could achieved alone नहीं, could have आवे. આમાં sentence complete કરવાનું હતું ને, could have आवे.
Okay.
वो पूरा लिखना था आपको, because sentence completion है तो grammar needs to be taken care of. So could is the auxiliary, तो supporting verb or helping verb, what we call help लिखना था उसमें.
Okay.
Clear था? Yes?
Yes.
કઈ doubt છે હવે?
ના.
Okay, fine. So Now we'll start with the writing task 2. एक मिनट हाँ. क्वेश्चन જોઈ લીધું રાઇટિંગ ટાસ્ક 2 નું બેટા?
Yes, ma'am.
રેડી છે?
Yes.
ઓકે. Just a second. Text. So it says that some people think that job satisfaction is more important than the job security. And others think that people cannot enjoy a job and that having a permanent job is more important. Right? Discuss both the views and give your opinion. This is what you have, right?
Yes.
Okay. So again, I'll be giving you 5 minutes where you're going to answer me these things. The very first thing, what you're going to, what is your topic? Second, you have to answer me what is the question statement that you're going to answer on. And third, you have to talk about the task that you have to respond. Clear? એના પછી કયો ફોર્મેટ આવશે આની અંદર? ફોર્મેટ એઝ એન ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શનમાં શું કરવાનું છે? બોડી 1, પછી બોડી 2, આમાં બોડી 3 બનશે કે નહીં? રાઈટ? એન્ડ લાસ્ટમાં કન્ક્લુઝનમાં શું કરવાનું છે? પ્લીઝ be ready with this. Let me know when you're ready. हाँ बेटा? Take your time. But explanation કરવાનું છે કલાપિકા. જે બી points તું મને કહું, જે બી reason તું મને કહું, properly you need to explain.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done बेटा?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now, मैंने समझाइस topic, question, statement and task.
Topic is whether a job should be permanent or satisfactory.
Okay, so topic where you're going to talk about the general introduction. So you'll be talking on the employment.
Yes.
Yes. So you're going to talk on employment. That employment plays a crucial role in everyone's life. Some people look job as it is important for them. It is important than the job security. Job satisfaction is more important than the security, whereas others believe that permanent job is more important, something like that. Okay.
Yes.
Then question statement કેટલા છે તારા પાસે?
Permanent job નું એક view, પછી satisfactory નું એક view.
Okay, so your first question statement is whether satisfaction is important than the security. And what is the second question?
Permanent job is more important.
Okay. Task.
Discussion.
Okay, discussion based ma, right? Okay, introduction ma શું શું આવશે?
General information.
Okay, general information, opinion ની જરૂરત નથી.
No.
Then body 1 ma,
one view ને લઈને character.
first view ને લઈને. Body 2 ma,
Second view.
okay, body 3,
Opinion and view.
opinion on any one view and it would be with different reason.
Different
બરાબર છે?
reason.
Very good. And conclusion ma?
Sum up and opinion and recommended.
Okay, great, Kalapika, great. So as you know that this is what we are going to do. Right, introduction ni under we will be talking about the employment. So what is employment, what people expect and everything, right? What kind of employment are available? Some people believe that employment is so and so, but others think that. Then try to paraphrase the question statement, right? But there won't be any kind of opinion given here. Only question statement paraphrase hoga, right? Now in case of body 1 you're allowed to write at least 2 reasons, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so what are the reasons that you have think you can write?
It gives security to the family.
Okay, what kind of security?
Financial security.
Okay, what else, why the security is important? Security means permanent job is more important.
Yes.
Right, why it is important? Because it gives them a sense of security such as financial, and they can bolo,
they can save.
okay, so you can say it has a fixed lifetime, it has a fixed flow of money. Okay, then you use the term, it also provides them a security for a long period of time, which avoids stress, depression, or you can say they avoid stress and all, where they can remain peaceful. So one main reason, and try to elaborate it with one or two supporting reason. ખબર પડી?
Yes.
કેવી રીતે કરવાનું હતું? તો and second main reason, એટલે બે main reason લખાય 50-50 છે તો. So this becomes my main reason કે money flow જે હોય છે એ lifetime માટે fix થઈ જાય છે. હવે lifetime માટે money આવતું રહે, that means લોકોને શું મળે એને supporting reason માં કરી દે કે એ લોકોને security મળે, that they can take care of their health, they have a financial support, they can also do savings, which this savings they can use for their later life whenever needed in emergencies or something. Also it avoids stress or burden, financial burden, and they live a peaceful life.
Yes.
Okay, બીજું શું થઈ શકે છે? Here security means they can secure their present and future and everything, avoiding stress and peacefulness. બીજું શું થઈ શકે છે?
They can have chance to earn and prove their position.
Okay, એ લોકોની yes, એ લોકોની job fixed હોય, money fixed હોય, right? They are away from their tension because they are having fixed job and money. They can easily pay attention towards other things, other activities. જેમ કે ફેમિલીને ટાઈમ આપવાનો, એમનું જે ડ્રીમ છે કે હોબીઝ છે, ટાઈમ ફોર ફેમિલી. પછી talking about living their dreams, hobbies, other activities કરવામાં time મળે. They don't need to search different jobs, right?
Yes.
Or stability or something, right? So they can give time to other things. જે બી એમને કરવાનું હોય, family સાથે time spend કરવાનું હોય, even going for a vacation, they don't need to think because they are having a stable flow of money, right? So they can also spend time. તો આ અલગ થઈ ગયું, right? So બે main reason આવી ગયા.
Yes.
Okay, then give example. For example, we can talk about a bank employer is having a fixed money. They also have a fixed leave pay. So most of the time, they are having lots of chances to go out with their family. Yeah. So those things can be talked on, right?
Oh.
Now, what about body paragraph 2? હવે શેના ઉપર વાત કરીશું? હા,
satisfactory job.
Factory job or something. Here we talked about that some people think that job satisfaction is more important than job security.
Yes.
Right? So job satisfaction, others think that people cannot expect to enjoy a job and that having a permanent job is more important. Actually, as per the sequence, this should be going in second. Permanent job important है, this should be going in second.
Yes.
Okay, अब satisfaction क्यों चाहिए job पर? That should be here. जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है?
So
सेटिस्फेक्शन मीन्स, हाँ,
they can live happily and so they do not look for other options.
सेटिस्फाइड जॉब अगर हम कहने जाए तो इज मोर हेल्दी.
Healthy.
Okay.
And
Why? Yes, huh?
as they are happy, so they can work efficiently and get good
Yes.
results.
Efficient result because their mind is healthy, their health is healthy, they are not overstressed or overburdened, right? It can be, you can say, at the same time a pleasurable job where they are happy to work, है ना? So satisfied means healthy becomes your main keyword, main reason. And why being healthy? Because this is the supporting reason, efficient result. So wherever they work, they always perform good.
Good, yes.
Right? And it gives them a pleasure. How it gives them a pleasurable things? Why? Because of the result and the pleasurable environment or the working environment they are working at will automatically do what? They are in a position to work in a such a way that they are committed.
Yes.
Towards their work. They are more committed. Right? Satisfied, satisfaction होए job पर तो आ वस्तु मरे.
Yes.
So they basically have sound and healthy life. That's what we talk. Now, happy people who, if they are happy with their job and everything, they can also have an innovative idea.
Yes.
Right? Innovative idea, वो creative हो जाते हैं. They love to share their ideas. They love to do something for their company or something. So इससे क्या होगा? At the end, किसको फायदा होगा?
Company.
Okay, organization growth. Yes. So organization growth पे help हो सकता है. What else?
If they love that job, so that they do not look for the other job.
They don't search for other jobs, and also they maintain their, what you can say, better work life balance. वो वर्क को प्रॉपरली बैलेंस कर सकते हैं. पर्सनल कमिटमेंट्स ऑन वर्क एंड वर्क बोथ जो भी है. क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay. Now when I want to give my opinion, what would be your opinion now?
Satisfactory.
Satisfaction is important, right? Okay, so your reason would be different from the above to what you have used.
Yes.
Tell me. What should be in body 3?
If I'm satisfied and happy, then I can create a positive environment around.
Okay, what else?
I can work hard to get higher position.
Okay, but it is about the satisfaction, beta. So working hard आता ही नहीं है. Satisfaction means आप जो भी काम कर रहे हो उसमें आप खुश हो. With respect to pay or the way, satisfaction is your working environment, the way you're working, whatever position you're working in, you are satisfied with. Okay. What if I ask you that if you have a job security, what else you can do? दोनों में ट्राई करो, कोई बात नहीं. आपने सेटिस्फेक्शन में जो बोला, इट इज क्लियरली व्हाट यू हैव ऑलरेडी रोट. Indirectly, same thing. What about security?
Security is more in pharma network.
Okay. So, can I compare and say I'll be having security में, right? क्योंकि वहां पे हैप्पी पीपल ऑन वो सब आ गया है, तो ट्राई टू स्विच इट, सी सिक्योरिटी में है कि नहीं. सो यू कैन से सिक्योर जॉब इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. Why?
Yes.
Because satisfaction is only for one time.
One time. Okay.
Okay, but money can earn your happiness.
Yes.
And apart from earning, you have other lives too, such as social and personal.
Yes.
अबे खबर पड़ी?
Okay. Yes.
So here you have a good different reason talking about a standard of living. हॉबीज और ड्रीम्स वो आपका इंडिविजुअल हो गया. समझ में आया? ये आपका सब इंडिविजुअल हो गया. पेइंग अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स अदर्स एक्टिविटी वो आपका इंडिविजुअल हो गया, जैसे फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जाना, ये सब. बट आप स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग भी अच्छा कर सकते हो. With
Yes.
what? Only when you have a secure job.
Sure.
Why to have a secure job? Because working why to have a secure job? Because work is only a part of life. There are other factors too, right? Apart from work, आप पूरे दिन जॉब का टेंशन नहीं ले सकते. There are other factors too. You talk about your social life, you talk about your personal life. Getting it?
Yes.
Fulfilling the needs of family. आप खुद का तो कर भी सकते हो, बट यहाँ पे you can bring family needs. Okay, making children to study in a good college or good providing them a good education and everything.
Okay.
You can talk about rejuvenation. Okay, it
Yes.
is more important than having a satisfied job.
Yes.
Clear? So rejuvenate और ये सब वर्ड आप यूज कर सकते हो. You can try कि सिक्योर जॉब को लेके आप फैमिली पर बोल सकते हो.
Okay.
ओके, तो वो डिफरेंट भी लगेगा और ओवरलैप भी नहीं होगा. रीजन जो पहले जिसमें हो रहा था, अगर आप सेटिस्फाइड बोलते हो तो यू विल बी वर्किंग हार्ड एंड ऑल. तो वर्किंग हार्ड इज एफिशिएंट, रिजल्ट एंड कमिटेड, राइट?
Yes.
मेंटेन दी बेटर वर्क लाइफ, वो सेम हो जाता. बट यहाँ पे हमने फैमिली की बात नहीं की है. यहाँ पे आपने सिर्फ ये बताया है कि अगर आप जॉब फिक्स्ड है तो आप दूसरी एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हो. अगर प्ले, आपको म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट है, आपको डांस में इंटरेस्ट है, आपकी कुकिंग हॉबी है, तो आप वो हॉबीज भी परसीव कर सकते हो. आप सिक्योर जॉब के साथ कोई एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ाई भी कर सकते हो टू गेन स्किल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. गेटिंग इट?
Yes.
ओके, यहाँ पे यू कैन टॉक ऑन फैमिली. सो डिफरेंट हो गया पूरा.
Yes.
Clear now?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Here I am writing rejuvenate. Rejuvenate means something where you feel that you can do different things every day. That is rejuvenation. Okay. Any other thing? हम एग्जाम्पल एक आप ही दीजिए. For example, here I can give you the type linker for instance. I might just say to cite an example. હવે કન્ક્લુઝનમાં શું કરીશ? ઓનલી સમ અપ કરવાનું છે. સમ અપ શું થશે? ફર્સ્ટ વન to conclude કરીને that if job provides satisfaction, a person can be more efficient, and he can also have creative and good ideas, right? A better balance can be given, right? At the same time, or you can use no, however, or on the other hand, security is important too, because it has a fixed money which makes people more healthy, and they can live their own dreams. In my opinion, what you believe? Job satisfaction or job security? Our body 3 is on security. So what you would say? Yes, you would say that in my opinion, definitely job security is much more important or outweighs the job satisfaction. Because why? What was your reason? Because it provides a better standard of living or better lifestyle can be earned.
Yes.
Right? So I can change that standard of living into a better lifestyle.
Yes.
Okay, उसके बाद मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ? It is recommended or it is suggested that it depends upon the people's choice and the job they are doing, but they should be always looking for other aspects too while opting for satisfaction or security, right?
Yes.
Something like that you can say. Anything would be fine. Okay, so make sure body 1 plus body 2 यहाँ पे सम अप होगा. उसके बाद बॉडी 3 का आएगा, दैट इज रीस्टेटिंग योर ओपिनियन. That would be of body 3, and plus suggestion. Whenever you write suggestion, make sure you use the term it can be suggested. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई भी डाउट है हमें?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any other points to discuss?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then not an issue. આજે લખાતું હોય તો આજે, or else when you'll be able to write Monday, Tuesday, when?
લખી દઈશ આજે.
Okay, fine, you કરીએ. So Saturday બનશે તો is it possible કે Saturday હું બધા modules લઈ લઉં and Sunday I'll keep a test or something?
Okay.
કા તો કરીએ decision લઈએ. I'll do something. I'll plan and I'll update you in the group accordingly. Okay. કા તો આપણે Saturday test રાખી દઈશું ને Sunday I'll take a full-fledged class. પછી બધા modules ત્યાં complete કરી દઈશું. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. है ना?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, then that's all. બીજું કઈ પૂછવું છે તો પૂછી લે બેટા હમણાં.
ના, હમણાં તો
કઈ નહીં?
ના.
Okay, fine then. કઈ વાંધો નહીં. ચલો. See you on next weekend. You're welcome, beta. Yeah, bye.
Bye.